You're talking, laughing, or eating, and suddenly hic. It's annoying, unstoppable, and kind of funny. But what actually causes hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts involuntarily. That quick spasm pulls air into your lungs, and then your vocal cords snap shut, creating the classic hic sound. But why does your diaphragm do that? Scientists believe it's triggered by irritation in your vagus or phrenic nerves, which connect your brain to your diaphragm. Common causes: eating too fast, swallowing air, drinking carbonated drinks, or even sudden excitement. In babies, hiccups actually help the body train the breathing muscles before birth, which means hiccups might be a leftover reflex from our earliest days of life. So the next time you can't stop hiccuping, remember, it's just your diaphragm glitching like an old computer trying to reboot. Annoying, but perfectly harmless, and a tiny reminder of the fascinating biology inside us. This is Everyday Science Explained, making sense of the weirdest things your body does.